We're going to review some of the index laws. Now, if we have a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is going to equal a m plus n. Now, a is defined as the base and m is defined as the indice. So when we're multiplying two bases together, their indices are added together. For example, if I had p to the power of 3 times p to the power of 2, this will equal p, remains the same, and we add the indices together. So we add 3 and we add 2, and this now gives us p to the power of 5. Another law we have is when we divide a to the power of m to a to the power of n. Now in this instance we retain the bases of a and subtract the indices. So in other words, a in this case is going to equal m minus n. For example, if I had r to the power of 5 divided by r to the power of 3, this will equal r to the power of 5 minus 3, which gives me r to the power of 2. Law 3 now says that a to the power of m in brackets to the power of n now equals a to the power of n m times n. Okay, so this time we are multiplying the indices together. For example, if we had x to the power of 4 in brackets to the power of 2, this will equal x to the power of 4 times 2, which equals x to the power of 8. Also, if we had the example of 3 times x to the power of 3 to the power of 2 in brackets, we have to understand that when we multiply or expand this out, we have 3 to the power of 1 times 2 times x 3 times 2. Okay, meaning that the indice on the outside of the bracket needs to be multiplied by the indice on 3 and the indice on the x. Now currently 3 here is just the number 3, which has the power of 1 times 2. When we use the indice on the outside of the bracket, now this is going to give us the answer of 3 to the power of 2 times x to the power of 6. Now, law 4 tells us that a number to the power of 0 is always going to equal to 1. For example, if I had 6 times a to the power of 0. This is going to give me 6 times 1, which equals 6. Law 5 tells us that when we have a times b in brackets to the power of m, this is now going to equal a to the power of m times b to the power of m. Because the bases are different, this implies that we need to give the power of am also the power of bm as well. For example, if I had x times y to the power of 5, this will equal x to the power of 5 times y to the power of 5. And it's also okay to just write it like this, power of 5 times x to the power of 5, without the times in the middle. Now law 6, again we have different bases, a and b, but this time we're dividing, and in brackets we have the indice m. This now equals, we need to distribute the index number across the bases, which means that this now equals a to the power of m over b to the power of m. Okay.